What's good, people? It's your boy Curbs back again with another video. As we can see today, we actually took a loss of a $500 loss, 1% of my account, but that's actually not relevant because you have trailing drawdowns on futures account. But why did I lose today and how to take a loss like a G is basically what really saved me is my strategy. My strategy is it's more so if I hit 1-to-1 I break even right away. So this first few trades was I took in I took on I think I took this one, I think from here, took that, and wait a minute, no, I took it from here. I don't even remember, but yeah, I think this was the first trade. First trade was once it breaks this high over here, as we can see in 1 hour. I was initially aiming for this liquidity over here for us to take it to target, and before 9:30 opens, as we can see, we have this big support, or no, big resistance right here, main rejection. So I was expecting that, look, with this rejection and the past data, it might just consolidate for today, and I should have not taken a trade today, but I would take a chance. But once we broke this resistance right here, we initially took a long over here, and then once he hit 1-to-1, I was like, okay, let me just break even. And look at that, broke even, boom. I was like, okay, once he comes back and actually has volume, I'm gonna go again, and that's what initially happened. So we took our second trade over here, right there. So it's actually retesting the support, and then I actually entered here again. Where is it? I entered over here. Boom. Stop loss is just like how many? 16 ticks or 16 points. Break even on the 1-to-1, but went back again. Today was just a consolidation day, and my last trade, my I think this would be my last trade, but then I switched over to YM, took my third trade for the day. This is where it gets a little bit emotional now. I was like, okay, if I really want to take this trade, it needs to be very high quality setup. And for me, a high quality setup would be, once it breaks a level, I would enter in and then look for a 1-to-1. And then I'll break even, right? I'll break even like this. This is exactly how I want to trade right here. If I waited a little bit, I would have taken this trade right here. But initially, it actually stopped me out right before it pushed to the upside. And today, what I can do is not really focus on the charts, is really focus on how I executed these trades, because I traded 5 times, and that's really, really bad. That's a major loss. And I put in my journal, it will be a major loss because trading 5 times, that's really a bad habit. And this is my major loss because I haven't lost in a while. And this was my first loss that I was like, okay, I was a little bit more emotional. And taking accountability of every trade that you take, you need to journal that. And going on for the next trades, although I only lost 500 on futures funded account, that's really big. $500, I should be only losing $300 per trade, but that's equivalent to 2 losses of in futures account. But initially, we're gonna take this trade from now on, and learn from this trade. This trades, what I mean, because we took 5 trades, and it gave us a loss for the day. We still have $1,000, $1,044.84 left, But still, if you really want to be profitable in this game, you need to manage your emotions, and you shouldn't be doing things like this, trading 5 times in a day. It will be hard for majority of people, especially if you're starting out. But as much as you can, bro, trade one to two trades. You only need 1 to 2 trades. Even for me, I'm taking this accountable. I'm not the best trader in the world, but I'm trying my best to be the best trader in the world, and I'm pretty sure we can do that. We can do that. And as I document my progress right here, we can make this happen and really make money with this industry. So it's all psychological. If you really want to be profitable, it's all it's all psychology. You know what I mean? It's, can you control yourself rather than the external factors, which is the charts or the screens. Can you control yourself and leave the desk if you took a loss? You already have 2 trades that are losses. You know what I mean? I feel like you can definitely do that, and if you can focus on what you can do and what you can control and not control the uncontrollables. In this case, is control how many trades you can get, or how many trades can you lose before you actually step out. You will be much more successful, and this is like me talking to my future self and really applying myself now to myself now, so that I can be my future self, which is a profitable trader. And I truly believe I am a profitable trader because the things I do, going to the gym, the habits I have, working, and yeah, like I've been a profitable trader for like about 8 months. I'm pretty sure, 8 months now. And how I became profitable is that having habits that are just controlled consciously, and really thinking through what can I do right now, and not focus on the future, and not focusing on fast, right? And with trading too, is why is it psychological? Because it's not really the charts. The charts doesn't care about you. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. But can you control your risk? Can you control the amounts of trades you have? Can you manage the trade? So that's really what I'm pointing at to. Like the way your strategy is, that's your mind doing the strategy. The market's just gonna do its thing, but can you control your strategy? Can you control your risks? Can you control your trade management, especially? And can you control yourself with the amount of trades you can make? If you can't do that, well then good luck being profitable. And also, fifth, it's recognizing, okay, can I take accountability of whether I win or whether I lose, and really learn from it? Because trading is not about winning or losing. It's it's not about winning money. It's really, can you manage your losses, and can you win more, right? Can you win more or lose less? That's really what trading is. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys learned something valuable today. Don't if you take a loss, it's okay. It's fine. It's part of the game. We only lost $500, but once again, the trailing drawdown kind of like annoys me, but it's all right. We're gonna take another trade tomorrow. This is just a trade recap. $500 lost for the day, but we're still profitable. All right, peace out.